This amazing video is about going to Cubao, Metro Manila, Philippines. Going to meet my friend from Union, South Carolina. This is his second time here in the Philippines. It's his fiance's birthday party we're going to during a tropical storm coming in. Give my wallet to my wife. Gotta give that to my wife. So I got a Timberland wallet, anti-theft wallet. See what it is. What's this? Ooh, she caught it. Alright, y'all wanna see Jacob right quick? Y'all wanna see Jacob? There he is. Sound asleep. Look at little Jacob just asleep. Papa love you, boy. There's Mama. Playing on the phone. Just like a Filipino does. Where we off in the blog? Shane and Bernadette. That was a good one.
Now, I will prepare. We're going to the birthday party of his friend.
Hit my friend's fiance.
Oh, I think his friend.
Yeah, this is his second time over here. I tell you his name. He's in one of my other videos when he first come over here. He's up here when the typhoon came through. I can't think of the name of it. Now we got a tropical storm coming through. He's over here again. And I think it was a typhoon when it hit. Nah, it might well be a tropical storm now. It wasn't that big into nothing. And as you can see, it's the rain out here. Been raining all night. Coming down too. Whew, it's coming down. Alright. We're heading to, where we heading to, honey? Where we heading to?
In Cubao.
Cubao. That's where we're heading to, Cubao again. We see all of it in Cubao. We're here in. Get over here. Cubao. Cubao. She always criticizing me. You see, it's wet and rainy out here. Wet and rainy. See that? We're heading across the road over there. Across the road. Where we heading now, honey? Huh? Where we heading? Here? Check this mall out. Nice mall. Look over here, look at these. Look at these teddy bears over here. Come here, look at these teddy bears. Look at that big old bear. Somebody gonna get lucky. They can buy that bear for that lady. Look at all them stuffed animals down through there. That stuffed animal shop. Alright, Bernadette. What's she looking at? She can't go nowhere without smelling that perfume.
Yeah, because my perfume is finished already.
She loves smelling the perfume. There it is, right there. Yeah, McDonald's in this mall. There's Ronald. Go ahead and check Ronald out. Y'all don't see Ronald back home in America no more. They fired him. There's Ronald. There's Ronald. Okay, Ronald, a high five. Back up here to Bernadette. And going to a birthday party. There's Bernadette. What do you do? Get you something? Huh? Did you get one? Which one you got? She got that? Oh, yep, she got that. She ain't going nowhere without that perfume. In the baby section, Bernadette got a jacket outfit. What's that outfit, honey? What's that outfit?
Huh?
Got jackets, some outfits right there. Go ahead. Now we're gonna go check out. Check all the clothes out for babies. The baby shoes. Yeah, here she comes. Like I said, I ain't doing much videoing in the mall because they're playing music and everything. Coming up, honey? I'm waiting on her to come up. Here she comes, here she comes. Huh? Huh? Come here. Huh? Where? Wait a minute. Let me get this here. Look at the trees there. You see the weather? Tropical storm coming through. Wet and rainy. Alright. We're looking for the boy from Union. Been here once before. He's in one of my other videos. Yes, it's raining out here. Cloudy and wet. You see the cloudy it is? Tropical storm now. What's a typhoon is a tropical storm now. They're walking up through here looking for him. 7-Eleven. There it is. Convenience store. Check that out. Check that out. He's getting up through there. And things out there, all things set up. They like to have construction going on over there. That's what that's for, construction site. They're building that building over there. We're right here, waiting on a buddy to come out. Here's the place where we standing in right there. There's a place stay in Manila. Nothing up there right here. Nice little area right here where we at. Look at that. Pretty nice.
Wow!
Waiting on her to come out the door. store. Y'all walk on out there and check this out real quick. We'll go out there and check it out. I ain't real far, so he'll be out here in a few minutes. Here. Tropical hood. Let me get in front of me and get a better picture of it. There you go. Here it comes. Tropical hut. Got your hamburgers and all that, chicken, and all your food sources over there at Tropical Hut. Go back up here. Right across from it is Korean barbecue. Right here. I can't say the name. Excuse me. Korean barbecue. Pretty neat area right here. Pretty neat area. Yeah, he's here. He's here. Happy birthday to the birthday girl. Check it out, there he is.
Yeah.
Lance from Union, South Carolina.
She's expensive.
Hey, ain't no bad. Hey, high maintenance. High maintenance. That's who we come to meet, Lance. His second time over here in the Philippines. First time, he was over here when the typhoon come through. What was it? Typhoon, P2?
Huh?
What's the name of the typhoon? I can't think of that name of the typhoon.
The name of what?
P2?
Tondo? The what?
The typhoon come through. What name of it was? I can't think of the name of it. It started with a P. I put it in the video, okay? It's a hard name to say. We're gonna go on in here. We'll see y'all in a few minutes. Check this view out. If it wasn't cloudy, it'd be a pretty view. You see all the construction going on over through yonder. We got a nice view out through here. View of Manila. In the heart of the Philippines, Manila.
I'm gonna come over here from down Typhoon right there.
Yeah.
One out there now, you know?
Yeah.
You need to get you a wristband to go around that so you don't drop it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it'll be all right.
Yeah.
There's Lance.
What's up, dog?
Old boy from Union.
Yeah, birthday girl.
And that's where all his magic been happening.
Oh, Lord.
High maintenance area right there.
I was about to kill me, son.
Basta kasi ka, no?
Here's a little kitchen area. Nice little area. That's his lady right there. Mine right there. Got a little sofa right here. Like a little couch-like thing. Bed-like, whatever you want to call it. No, another view area. It ain't big as the other one over there.
Nakakasad pag mag-iulay.
There's Lance. That's what he's watching. Alright, here we go. Got the drinks, got the cake, we got some more stuff.
Door closed on you.
Here we go. Oh, look at it. It closed on her. There it is. Huh? It on that. Hello, how you doing? Alright, so and it's still running out here. Yeah, I'll see it in a minute. Give me a second. Down here. Here. There's Lance. It's coming down pretty good out here. Windy. Ain't raining right now. A little windy. There, buddy. Well, here, where the party's gonna take place at, going out in there somewhere. Somewhere over here. Oh, Bernadette. I see the neighborhood. Right in here. Where the barking dogs at? Wait on Bernadette to go in. Dog come out and greet everybody. There's the barker. There he is, right there. That's fine. It's a nice place right here. That's fine. Nice area.
Filipino people know how to throw a party.
Oh yeah, they do.
God, wait, man, unreal.
And set everything over there. The party gonna take place in this little area.
Real nice.
Check it out, y'all food.
Wala pa yung mga bisita mo.
All
Paantayin natin yun. Hindi na tayo sa
Handsome.
gutom.
Hindi naman nila dala yung kaldero, hindi sa atin yung pagkain eh.
Birthday girl went through yonder. They got I don't know, gotta look. Look at that. There are the drinks. Let's see what they got in here. Heineken.
You're vlogging? Jane, you're vlogging?
Yeah. Samuel Light. A good beer there. I don't know what to say about Heineken because I never had Heineken. See what I got right here. Some more. Look at that. More. Yes. Oh, check his shirt out. Check his shirt out. Beavis and Butthead. Oh, you got finished eating. And then we'll walk outdoors. Y'all check out what's out here. Check out here. Lance filling his lungs up.
Right, right.
You know. It's a nice little neighborhood we in.
Yeah.
I probably got the house earlier. That's where they live at right there. That little apartment, 3 stories, I think. Neighbors, right there. Hello. Hey, how you? Nice neighborhood.
Yeah, he's got 2 ants live on this street too.
Oh, he does?
Yeah.
It's a pretty little neighborhood here. There they are.
Sila. Gusto mo isa kwarto na eh. Ha?
Good eating.
Para 2 horsepower. Oo nga, yung mga book natin na kukulo. Pag uminit tayo, yun ako kunin ko. Kasi iinit yung katawan natin nun eh.
We sitting here, they talking, trying to get me to have a Samuel Light. Look at her face. Look at her face. You ready to whoop my ass. Look at that. Look right down there. What is it?
Alfonso.
Look at that bottle there. Hey, Filipino knows how to party now. You want to party? Come party Filipino style.
It's good. You should try it.
I don't know if get one or not. My wife told me like she told me I couldn't drink nothing. If I do, y'all know.
Kasi nabi ko kasi yan sumusunod. You babe.
Huh?
Yung ba yung sa video? Yung sinabi mo sa group chat natin? Yung ba yan? Yung babae? Dadaanan mo lang.
Nasa pulutan kita lang.
Ako, edit? Hindi, magpipicture
Back
na
to
ako.
down,
Mamaya,
fix
pag
them back
i-post
up.
ko sa birthday ko na. Siguro mga 4 na taon pa.
Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. That's good.
Kaya wala naman ako lagay pangalan na.
Wow! Oh, Heineken. Corona.
Piniling mo ah. Ha? Arabo. Ayan. Piniling na lahat eh. Tama lang yung pinilasa kasi piniling. Para lang talaga. Hi!
That one down there dancing. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. They got the Coke now. I don't like zero Coke.
Ano mga pangalan?
I like regular Coke.
Naalala ko din na ano yung kupal, wala eh.
Ano, Bart?
Hi guys.
Hello. That's your birthday girl right there.
Ganda kaya. Ganda mo.
Here they come. There they are.
1, 2. One more time. 1, 2. Good taste.
This time come over this way and see what she's gonna get. What get me?
Dito siya na sandwich.
Sandwich, kasi pili na lang siya. Nakabili ka? Wala. Mahirap kasi makahanap doon, marshmallow. 7-Eleven na po.
Just only.
May say. Shut that one. I ain't drunk one of them like that. I was drunk one in the silver can.
Pero yung mga American food nila.
She let me have one.
Slowly.
She told me slow.
Oh.
I didn't get nothing.
Let him enjoy the
She got scared. Here comes the cake. Check it out, check it out.
Maglagay ka ng table. Lagay mo yung table. Bawa ka ng table.
Tradition.
Eddie.
Wala pa yung tugtog eh.
Calling. Eddie. Where are you?
Lighter, Eddie.
Again.
Again, soy.
He's doing the show.
Siya, Ellie. 1, 2. Sabay.
That sounds good.
I got you.
Happy birthday, Sha! Happy birthday, Sha!
Where's the birthday guy? I don't see her.
Happy birthday, Sha!
I think she's outside. I gotta see.
Happy birthday, where's Sha?
Is she outside? Gotcha. Happy birthday, girl. There she is. What's wrong? Huh? Oh. Just sitting in there. It's nice out here.